Welcome to today's tips and tricks session brought to you by Planet Technologies and the Evolve 365 team. In today's session, I'll be showing you how you can use Copilot Chat to create content quickly and efficiently using the tools you already have built in with your Microsoft 365 subscription. First, let's see how Copilot can take a simple PowerPoint deck and turn it into a visually engaging infographic. No fancy design tools needed, just Copilot Chat and PowerPoint Online. Let's start with this PowerPoint deck. It's a short presentation on cybersecurity tips. I've opened it in PowerPoint Online so you can see the slides. Now I'll open Copilot Chat. I'll attach my slide deck and ask Copilot to summarize the key points from this PowerPoint deck for an infographic. Now let's see what Copilot can do. Copilot gives me a clean list of tips perfect for visual content. Next, I'll ask Copilot to generate an infographic based on the key points. Let's give Copilot a minute to generate this infographic. Copilot is returning an infographic based on my PowerPoint deck. It's including tips regarding the content as well as including visually appealing images to engage my readers. And just like that, in a few minutes, we've turned a slide deck into a visual summary using Copilot Chat. This is a great way to create content that is visually engaging. And here's the cool part. Copilot generates this image for you, and I can click on it and either copy or download it, so that I can begin using it right away. Now let's see what else Copilot can do. I'm going to start a new chat. This time, I want to ask Copilot to turn a list of onboarding steps into a formal polished process document, or an SOP, with a title, scope, procedure, and responsibilities. I can paste all of my information into the prompt. Now let's see what Copilot can do. Copilot is returning a formal standard operating procedure document with a title, purpose, scope, procedure, and so forth. Now let's have Copilot generate this as a Word document. Let's give Copilot a moment to generate that file. Let's open it up and see how this looks. And there you have it, a complete process document created in minutes using Copilot Chat and the tools that already exist in your Microsoft 365 account. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks, and have a great day.